Hi. Product design is a subject where the students learn different types of skills that are required to create a tangible product. In the distance learning format, it was quite a challenge. However, the students of grade 9 were very enthusiastic in learning and understanding the skills required for their term 2 unit, which was inclusive design for the visually impaired audience. Here are a few products created by the students. They will be donating as a part of Service as Action learning outcome to the visually impaired students.
So here's my final product. Here you can see that there's a locking mechanism to open the hinge door, which is just a string on a screw. This opens up to the label roll. This material goes up into this area and passes through here into this area where the buttons are, and then it's indented or stabbed by the buttons themselves, and then they come out through here. So now you stab all the hook, whichever ones you need.
This is my final product, and this is basically going to be mounted on a wall of a visually impaired person's house, and it becomes as a rail structure which can be used by the visually impaired person to move around freely. And secondly, it has instructions about the surrounding area.
My PDSA, I have made braille cards which looks like this. From front it is like the normal cards, and from back it looks like this. And on the back I have done a glue lining, and if they will feel this, they will get to know that whether the card is black or red. And also in the front I have written in braille, like if it is 4 spade over here, so I have written 4S, which is 4 spade. So for knowing that, I have made a braille instructor for them. From this they will know that what S means. So S means spade, C means club, and H means heart, and D means diamond. So this will I have written the first letters only because it will make the game more quicker to play.
Well, it was not an easy task to create such products. For this, the students had to learn to read and write Braille, which is a sensory reading system used for visually impaired people. They got to know different types of visual impairment through a guest lecture conducted by Dr. Saurabh Shah.
Okay guys, hi, I'm Dr. Saurabh Shah and I'm a consultant eye surgeon at Prisma Eye Care Hospital.
Further, to understand how visually impaired students learn and what are the different products they utilize in their daily activities, we conducted a first of its kind virtual tour to a blind school in Surat.
In this distance learning format, Hussain sir has made it possible for us to visit the school sitting at our homes.
This school basically has students from grade 1 to grade 12. This is grade 7, science, and this is the Braille book. So if you can look closely, can you see the Braille letters written on it?
Mr. Shrikant Jadhav, he is the English teacher at Anjan School.
Whether you want to know how a blind student can learn.
The students also got to know more about the client, who was a visually impaired student, about the problems they faced and need for a solution. Grade 9 students were also taught 2D and 3D online tools to create the solution digitally. Here are a few more products created by the students.